Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your phone to your Nissan Sentra's Bluetooth system. First, make sure your vehicle is in park for safety. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and ensure it is discoverable. Then, navigate to the Settings menu on your Sentra's infotainment screen. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready for hands-free communication in just a few moments. Once in the Bluetooth settings, select Add New Device. Your Sentra will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth-enabled phones. When your phone's name appears on the vehicle's screen, select it. A pairing code will then be displayed on both your phone and the Sentra's screen. Confirm that these codes match to complete the connection. This step securely links your device. After successful pairing, you can make calls using the steering wheel controls or the touchscreen. Your phone's contacts will often sync automatically. If you encounter connection issues, try restarting both your phone and the Sentra's infotainment system. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. Sometimes, a simple restart resolves most minor glitches, ensuring a smooth experience. Your Nissan Sentra can typically store up to 5 different Bluetooth devices. You can also set a primary device to connect automatically when you enter the vehicle. For any model-specific questions, always refer to your Sentra's owner's manual. Enjoy the convenience and safety of hands-free communication and audio streaming on your drives. This guide should help you get started quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.